Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be talking about how you can reverse a video on VideoLeap app. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first of all you need to do is open the VideoLeap app. So once your VideoLeap app gets opened up, once your VideoLeap app is fully booted, you will get redirected to its homepage where you need to click on the plus sign and the new project. Here you need to click on any video you want to select. So once you select the video, you need to tap on the video and tap on the reverse option. Once you tap it, it will reverse the video automatically. So now your video will be in the reversed mode once you play it. So this is how you reverse a video on VideoLeap app. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.